Now, marriage was provided by God, and it was provided by Him to be a long lasting relationship. That's a relationship with happiness. And as of this day, you're now, Spencer and Alexandra, become one flesh. You're one.
Sparks every time I see you. Stars when you walk in the room. There's no such thing as ordinary. Really, we are quite contrary to everything that I thought I knew. So let's start a fire. I wanna keep you warm. Come and strike up the choir. Throw open all the doors. Oh, I've looked low and high, and I've never been so sure. I am yours. Won't you be mine? I am yours. Won't you be mine? I know it's hard to find, and you put your hand in mine. But you don't ever have to wonder winter slumber to the summertime. I'm always on your side. So let's start a fire. I wanna keep you warm. Come and strike up the choir. Throw open all the doors. Oh, I've looked low and high, and I've never been so sure. I am yours. Won't you be mine? I am yours. Won't you be mine? Let's start a fire. I wanna keep you warm.
I, Spencer Blair Wilson, take you, Alexandra Nicole Dina, to be my wedded wife. To love and to cherish in accordance with the divine law, as set forth in the Holy Scriptures for Christian husbands, for as long as we both shall live together on earth according to God's marital arrangement.
I, Alexandra Nicole Tina, take you, Spencer Blair Wilson, to be my wedded husband, to love and to cherish and to deeply respect, in accordance with the divine law, as set forth in the Holy Scriptures for Christian wives, for as long as we both shall live together on earth, according to God's marital arrangement.
I, as an ordained minister, and by the authority conferred upon me by the Holy Scriptures of the state of Connecticut, pronounce that they are husband and wife together. What God has yoked together, let no man put apart. It is my happy pleasure to introduce to this marriage the gathering of brother and sister Spencer Wilson. Now you may kiss your bride.
Auguri a Alessandra, fai buona fortuna e il nonno ti dà tanti auguri.
Ciao Alessandra, tanti auguri, buona fortuna.
Good?
Perfect. That was good.